Right, just want to show you something interesting. A bit novel. I've not really seen this done too many times on YouTube, but while I've been busy today with a knife, and he's been knocking up. Just practicing. He's only 11. Making spears, you know, as young boys do. And he saw someone make one of these, which is a fishing gig, or a frogging gig. And I said if you just split it and put some bits of wood in, he's going to finish it off and bind it all up. I mean, whether we catch any fish with it, I don't know. But, yeah, big long spears. Willow. I said to use a lot of willow. While he was doing that, I showed him how to make fish hooks from Hawthorn. So you just select a branch with a nice thorn on it, and if you just, I can't focus very well, but if you just bend the thorn up slightly and then bind it, that's just bound with the inner string of a 550 paracord. I'll just notch the end so you can get a fishing line on it. If you can see that. Put it in the palm of my hand. Get the idea of the size of it. So, primitive fishing hooks. I know you're all going to say, show me it working. I'm not much of a fisherman, but I like to have a go at things. I've got a friend who fishes. I might give it to him and see if I can get him to catch anything on it. It'd have to be quite a big fish. I'm sure you can find smaller thorns, but there you go. So, primitive fishing hooks. My lad's attempt at a fishing gig. Bit of carving, he's getting into it gradually. It's going to get to the point where I'm going to have to get him a knife, I think, but that'll come with time. Then the usual cup of coffee. Oh, and I suppose while we're here, I wasn't supposed to be showing this, I suppose, but these are handy. 3 grades of diamond stones. They're quite good. Just keep things fettled up. What do I think that is? Was it Amtech? Something else I got from a car boot, sold pretty cheap. Anyway, fishing hook. So, maybe we ought to see if you guys come up with anything else yourself, you know, that you can make from a natural things. A fish hook of some sort. Anyway, that's Hawthorn. Till next time, cheers.